What's up guys, it's here ButerFly here, be playing Heavy Rain, so here we go. Hold on guys. Dang, I need to turn the volume down. Jesus. My freaking thumbstick is not even freaking working now. So, is this the butterfly origami? I think it is.
What the hell am I supposed to do here? It might be a trap. I'd better be careful. This is the old Pico power station. I thought it was abandoned. Now where am I supposed to go? There must be a clue or something. The origami figure was in the form of a butterfly. So, am I looking for a butterfly?
Alright, here we go. I was playing freaking GTA 5 all day, the story mode, doing it all over again, non-stop. I've been playing Max Payne 3 all day, and that's one of the games I need to start recording series. Man, you gotta be careful more. You gotta be more careful, Ethan.
Electrical condensers. Going by the sound of them, they're still active.
Okay, I see the butterfly now. That's going the wrong way. Here we go.
This shaft is the only way out of here. No point in calling for help. There's no one here. Matchbox. It might be useful. I should never have got into this pipe. It's suicide. Where's this pipe go? I've got a bad feeling. Glass. Broken glass. Sharp as a razor. Impossible to go back. I'm gonna have to crawl through it, slowly, so I don't tear up my arms. Stupid fucking pipe! And surely because of me. I've got to get out of here. There's got to be a way out. The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
Or it's going that way. Okay, which way? Man, this is hard right here, not joking. It's easy as long as you know what to do. And I know what to do. Some of the freaking things.
Keep it together, Ethan. Come on. A draft. There's a slight draft. If I could figure out where it's coming from, it could lead me to the exit. Can't stand the pain. Can't take it much longer. I will not give up. I'm in this all the way to the bitter end if it saves my son. Can't see a thing in here. Where are those matches?
And I will go through this much pain to be able to save my son. If the killer did this.
The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
Good, freaking finally. Great more blast. Dang, look at... Dang, Jesus, look at his knees. God dang.
Don't even know where it leads. Could lead to hell for all I know. Whatever, I don't really have a choice. There's no other way out. To jump or not to jump. Right. I guess I don't really have any choice. I didn't come this far to give up now. I've got to go all the way if I want to save Sean. I better leave while I'm still alive. I'm not... ButerFly. There's a ButerFly over there. That's where I should go. Field of electric condensers. I've got to go through them to reach that ButerFly. I don't feel too good. I can't take much more.
mission am I on now?
Oh my God.
Jesus. Ethan.
I'll get him to bed. I gotta call a doctor. I can't just leave him like this.
And he was probably out cold for like at least an hour, probably, or 10 minutes. Or maybe 5 minutes.
Ethan. Ethan, can you hear me? Calm down, girl. There must be something I can do to help him. Oh my God. What happened to him? Origami figures. What is he doing with them?
Better get out before.
Are those burn marks on your chest? Arms look really bad. I need to disinfect your wounds. You've got a hell of a fever. I'm gonna have to get your clothes off to disinfect those wounds.
Oh, thank you.
Those are serious burns. I don't know if I can do anything for you. Okay. The first thing is to keep calm. I'm gonna give him first aid. He's burning up. He's running a fever. I've never seen anything as bad as this before. How did he get this way? I'm not a doctor, but I'll do what I can. Crap. It's disinfectant. Not terribly good for burns. Your wounds are disinfected.
Anti-fever. God dang.
Sorry. I'll take it easy. That should ease the pain.
Man, this is like crazy.
That's all I can do. How do you feel? Ethan? He's unconscious. Now I'll just have to wait. And hope he wakes up.
Man, how long has he been out for?
How do you feel?
I've been better. Was I out for long?
About 3 hours.
Why the guardian angel act? You don't even know me.
You didn't really leave me any choice. I couldn't just leave you like that.
You said you were here?
I've been going through a bit of a tough patch the last few months. It's the kind of stuff you prefer to forget. I do what I can to live with it, but it's not easy. You got some kind of a problem?
Bigger than you can possibly imagine.
You mixed up with the mafia? Owe someone money? Something like that?
Listen, I'm truly grateful for your help, but for your own sake, I think it's better if you don't ask any questions.
Maybe I could help you.
No one can help me. You've already done a lot, Madison.
Right. I'm gonna go. Take care.
Oh, dang. I was just listening to that conversation. Marble Street. And most familiar street.
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. I've got nothing to do with that business. I never killed nobody.
Then why did you run away when they came to question you?
I already told you I forgot to report to my parole officer. I didn't want to go back to prison. When I saw the cops, I just bolted. I wasn't thinking straight.
We checked out his statement. He has an alibi for at least 3 of the murders.
Fuck, that bastard was a perfect fit. Shit!
Ash? Okay. Sean Moss's mother is here. She'd like to speak with you.
I was about to say,
It was a few months back, the middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 3. I asked him where he'd been. He spoke about drowning, the rain. He didn't make any sense. There was something in his eyes. As if it wasn't really him. There may be no connection, but the next day there was that announcement about another victim of the origami killer. Find my son. I'm begging you.
we're doing all we can do, man.
I'm Police Lieutenant Carter Blake, and this is Agent Norman Jaden of the FBI. According to our information, Ethan Mars is one of your patients. We'd like to ask you a few questions about him.
I'm sorry, that's impossible.
I beg your pardon?
I'm bound by an oath of secrecy. Under no circumstances may I discuss my patients.
My job is to find Sean Mars alive, and I don't give a damn about any bullshit oath.
Sean Mars' life may depend on what you know. Tell us what you know, Doctor.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. Now I must ask you to leave.
You need to cooperate, for your own sake.
He's right. Legally, you gotta tell us what you know.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just giving you some free advice, Doc. I suggest you take it.
I know you don't want to protect your mother. If you know anything, you must tell us, Doctor.
I'm going to call the police and make a complaint about your behavior.
Doctor, you are really pushing my buttons. The only thing I'm interested in is saving that kid's life.
So, you're gonna be a good boy and tell me what I want to know.
I'm really gonna lose my
Duty to
temper.
inform the police if you suspect one of your patients, Doctor.
Let go of me. You have no right.
Man, that's bullcrap. You can't do that.
Come on, Doc. There's an easy way and a hard way. It's your fucking choice.
You have no right to hit him.
I'm saving a kid's life for Christ's sake. If you don't like it, leave.
If you don't let go of this man immediately, I'll report you and you'll be off the case.
What the hell's the matter with you, Norman? Were you getting cold feet? You don't want to save Sean Mars anymore?
I want to save Sean Mars just as much as you do, but that doesn't give me all rights. So you're gonna stop this shit right now!
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems since his first son died. He feels responsible for his death. A sort of morbid neurosis. He is haunted by visions of drowning bodies. A few weeks ago, after one of our usual sessions, I found this on the floor. It must have fallen out of his pocket.
Ash, I want you to assign every available man to finding Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Notify all agencies and start looking for him. I want you to keep an eye on the train stations, the airports, the bus terminals. I want every cop in the city on his ass, so that if he moves, we know about it. Yes, Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
Bullcrap, I know who's the freaking origami killer. It's Scott Shelby. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, so please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, talk to you guys later. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching, talk to you guys later.